want to build strong abs and a rock solid core, well, I'm going to show you one of the great exercises that I use for that today with this little baby. Today we're going to do the Swiss Ball Jackknives in our How to Exercise series. First of all, let's go into how to get onto the Swiss ball, as sometimes that can be a tricky enough aspect in itself. There's a couple of ways that you can do it. The simplest way I like to do is I just place one shin on the Swiss ball, place my hands underneath my shoulders, which is going to be the starting position we want to be in, and then just lift the other shin, or lift the other leg should I say, onto the Swiss ball. Now it's important to find this movement that we keep our abdominals nice and tight, nice and contracted, no sagging of the hips, okay? And then what we're going to do is contracting our lower abdominals, we're going to raise the knees up towards the midsection and then back out again. So you see I've always got my shins on the ball as it rolls in gently, bringing my knees up as high as I can or as into the stomach as I can, and then back out. It's important that we do try and keep the abs engaged throughout the whole movement, and that again we don't have any sagging or even any excessive height in it. And then once you're done, try and dismount as safely as you can off the ball. So there you go guys, I hope you really enjoyed that exercise tutorial today. I hope you use this exercise in your workouts. It's a great exercise to do no matter what your goal is. Everyone wants a strong core, everyone wants strong abs, so I really hope that you use this moving forward. And the question for you is, how difficult did you find it the first time that you ever did jackknife crunches on the Swiss ball? Now don't forget to give this video a like if you thought it was good and enjoyed it. If you didn't, then give it an unlike. But leaving a comment below helps me know if you like this exercise or video and what content to produce for you. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notifications and stay up to date with all the latest content from this channel. My name is Dan, this is Specific Personal Training, and we'll catch you on the next one of our how-to video series. Thank you for staying tuned until the end. Don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. You can also click on this icon here to stay up to date with all the latest videos. Go on, give it a click, give it a click, and click here or here on any of these windows for more videos from us. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.